Alright, this is 80% gas furnace, and what I'm having here is number 1 and number 2 comes on, number 3 and number 4, so flame is not spread from number 2 to number 3 and then number 4. So I started to clean the flame spreaders, and you can see that this section right here, from this to right here, is a flame spreader, and from this point to here, flame spreader. So basically flame spreads through here, right there, then number 2 comes on and then spreads again, number 3 comes on, spreads again, number 4 comes on. So we have this completely clogged. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out with using the knife in this case and sandpaper, and then I'll show you after I clean it. Okay, now it's cleaned, so flame's gonna spread through there. The other side is also clean. Generally, by looking at it, this burner is not in good shape, so probably this needs to be replaced, but temporarily what I can do, I can clean them and order new ones. And now let me see, I always number this, I never take them off without numbering. So got there. I'm gonna take a look. Number 2 now. On number 2, you can notice one side is halfway open, the other side is clogged. So I'm gonna clean obviously both sides and number 1 as well. So once it's cleaned, I'll show you that flame will spread all across. Now we're gonna watch. Actually, before I fire this up, I'm gonna put this rollout switch back, and then we're gonna watch. With one hand it's a little difficult, so let me pause this. Actually, all of them came on, running, blue flame. We're gonna wait until the blower comes on. Alright, it was just a short video how to clean the flame spreaders. Just shut it off. Thank you. Thanks for watching.